speak, this day of the week. Stumbling words at the bar, beauty blue eyes, my order of fries, Long Island kindness and wine. You loved a John, I get it all wrong. I bet he was some kind of poem, covered in lines, the fossils I find have no life of their own. So can we pretend sweetly full of mystery ends? I'm a man with a heart and offends, lonely and greedy demands. It's only a shadow of me, a man of speaking, I'm dead. Such a waste, your beautiful face, stumbling carpenter eyes. Go follow your Jim, your white feather friend, Ichabod's poem in the sun. If history speaks of two baby teeth, I paint the hills blue and red. They said beware, Lord hear my prayer, wasting my clothes on your head. So that we be friends, sweetly before the mystery ends. I'll love you more than the world can contain, it's only a ramshackle head. There's only a shadow of me, a man of speaking, I'm dead. Tongue on your chest, what can I say to my heart? History speaks, the kiss on my cheek, where there remains but a mark. Beloved of my John, so I'll carry on, count my cards down the wall. And when I'm dead, in my bed, my castle's fighting the sun. So can we contend peacefully before my history ends. Jesus, I need you, be here, come see me. Fossils that fall on my head. It's only a shadow